When we're evaluating a formula and we're substituting in negative values, it is especially important to put parentheses around the number. So if I said evaluate this expression when x is negative 4 and y is 3, then what I need to do, I need to be careful of, I need to make sure that when I plug in that negative 4 for x, that I put it inside parentheses before I deal with any of the other stuff here. You can see this square occurs outside the parentheses. The reason we like to do this, or the reason it's a good idea to do this, kind of necessary in many circumstances, is because of the order of operations. When I say squaring x, that means to take and square the entire value of x. And, well, negative 4 quantity squared, that's easy enough. That's positive 16. We get over here 13. Let's look at how, if I had not put the parentheses around it, I would have written something like this. This does not mean the same thing. This would be the opposite of 4 squared minus 3. And this, the reason I say it doesn't mean the same thing, is this right here does not mean a negative 4. This means the opposite of 4 squared. And in the order of operations, this dash comes with multiplication. So that means that it would happen after this square. So essentially, this is the same thing as writing it like this. We would take 4 squared, which is 16, and then take the opposite of it, giving us negative 16. And you can see clearly that's not the same answer. We get a negative 19 overall out of everything. So I say it's important because if you don't do it, you're going to get the wrong answer. All right, if we're plugging stuff in here, you can notice I'm plugging a negative 6 in for C. So I'm going to make sure that I put that C in parentheses when I plug stuff in. In any case, A, that's 3 plus 3 parentheses 2 times B. B is 4. Just because I say it's important for some doesn't mean I can't do it for others. You can see in this instance I chose to put the B inside parentheses because I felt like this represents the same sort of multiplication. I mean, it's multiplication is multiplication, whatever. But this felt more like the same thing to me. Rather than saying 2 times 4, I said 2 parentheses 4 because then it looks, or it feels more like this way. All right, so in any case, within these outer parentheses, it looks like I can do this 2 times 4 to give me 8. I can also change the subtraction to addition here. I'm subtracting a negative 6, which I can rewrite by changing it to plus 6. And then I'll just copy down this stuff that was on the outside of the parentheses, this 3 plus 3 over here. But you can't do this addition yet. Remember, you can't do that addition because this multiplication has to happen to that 3 before it can be added to this 3 over there. So I'm kind of tied up. The only thing I can do here is this these parentheses. 8 plus 6 is 14. All right, so now I've finished up the inside of the parentheses. Now I can do my multiplication. 3 times 14 is, what, 30 plus 12, which is 42. And then 3 plus 42 gives us 45.